Okay, I thought you were out.
I was for
Ah.
some time, but yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, yeah, thank you again for coming, for joining this meeting. I've been wanting to do a part two. Okay.
Yeah.
And my reason, my ulterior motive is the same as for all the activities that I do for the Light Givers Association. It is
Okay.
to be able to reach out to as many people and be able to help as many people as possible. Okay,
Okay.
and so I wanted to focus more on the widows and widowers because there's a big group out there, and I wanted to be able to reach to the. And what for? What's this for? I mean, why are we doing it in the first place? Why all of these activities? Okay, the goal is really to be able to help each other out. If the widows and widowers were to know each other a little more, they'll be able to help out each other. I mean, even if they're in another country, if you need something in another country, my son is going to Australia, and those in Australia can, I mean, this type of communication and bond is what I want to develop for each group. Christine knows this very well. Okay, I started when I was a board of directors in Valle Verde 5. I started this senior citizens. Okay, and I tried so hard, but nobody was responding until a certain woman, certain lady, by the name of Miss Maliksi. Oh, she was the one who started
Yeah,
it.
she passed away na eh. Yeah.
Yeah, how sad, hindi ba?
I'm
She,
just here.
Her
Hold
son
on.
passed
I'm
away
just here.
also, ah.
who?
Her son passed away.
Really? Oh my God.
Yung kanyang midget na child.
Ah,
Si
yeah.
JJ.
Ah, yes, yes. So, I'm sorry, I forgot. So,
Yeah.
anyways, what happened here was that this group, Miss Melixis, what she did is that she made it like round table, once a month or once every twice a month. One person is in charge, and you know what happened? They became so close, and they did so many projects. All right. In fact, the projects that they did were a lot more than what the men did. Okay, they did so much. They were one of the most active and productive groups. Okay, and after that, I set up my own. I mean, not set up my own, but I also got senior citizens together, and we experience a lot of bonding, a lot of helping each other, a lot of praying for one another, and it's nice to have what do you call this, groups like this, no? So this is what I was hoping would happen here in El Refugio, that there would be different groups. Let's say I'm doing right now one for caregivers. I want to be able to get them to reach out to each other, and I want to be able to give them programs that will help them become better or do their jobs better, and be able to reach out to their employers. In other words, this is what El Refugio, this is what the Light Givers Association is all about. Okay, and and you know, I got this heart attack, and I kind of stopped, but I'm really focused. I'm really hoping to make this thing happen. Okay, if you guys enjoyed the discussion, I hope we can do the same discussion for others. Okay, and now, so what's the ulterior motive? That's right. That's it. That's the ulterior motive. That's our purpose as members of the Light Givers Association. You are all members already, by the way. Okay, but the new members now, we are going to be charging them $1 a month. Okay, $1 a month is something like almost 700 pesos a month. Okay, this is for administrative costs because there are expenses that we will have to
What,
incur.
$1 a month?
Yes. Is that too much? Is that okay?
No. It's around 50. How much is it?
58 pesos.
58 pesos, yeah.
Yeah, this is really not for profit. I mean, it's really more of being able to have some money for administrative costs, for administrative expenses. Okay. So
Yeah, at least pay for the Zoom.
again, not only the Zoom, you need a technical guy, for example, need a technical guy. Every time you do Zoom, you cannot do it by yourself. Okay, that's another thing, no? And of course, we have to monitor. We have to come up with activities. We have to do a lot of things to really get this moving. Okay, we want to be able to reach out all over the world. Kung pwede. Okay, so that's where we are at. Okay, so I'm hoping that this group can help achieve that goal. Okay, in its own way, because there are so many what do you call this, widows and widowers who have some time. Okay, they're no longer taking care of their husband, so they may have a little more time to be able to do something to help other widows and widowers. Okay, so do you have any questions so far? I'm now going to talk to you about the process that we're going to use. We're going to do. Do you have any
I
questions?
just have a question. Are we restricting ourselves to just widows?
No.
And widowers?
Definitely not.
If it's going
Okay.
to be widows and widowers, then we have to streamline it too. We have to streamline our contents and the participants, diba? But if it's gonna be open to loss and grief, then it's a different,
Yeah, yeah.
we have a different perspective.
Right. I was
Diba?
thinking, no, it's not only loss and grief. So that they can help each other out. That's the objective. Okay, so that they can bond, they can talk to each other if they have any problems, and basically to help each other out. That's
Yes, I understand that, Kaloy, but what I think my question is, are we just really targeting women and men who who are going through loss or are in the process of journeying grief, or are we open to even orphans or
yes, definitely,
parents?
definitely. Okay.
Siblings. Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi if we're just going to focus on, kasi if what you're saying, like what you showed us was widows and widowers, then iba rin ang magiging context, di ba? Ibang
Correct.
magiging
Tama,
context.
tama ka, Estelina. Okay.
Oo. So,
But I was just
entirely focused on helping each other help themselves during the time off or while journeying the time off.
Yeah.
Without open close widowers only.
no, it's too big. Kasi can you imagine how this is it may be too big. That's why you were saying orphans. We have another group of orphans. Another group, okay, like what do you call this? The caregivers, another group. Now they can they can merge in some ways, because I can be an orphan at the same time my husband died. Okay, so pwede yan.
Okay.
But
Oh yeah, that's why I want it clear kasi baka mamaya we're going to be tapping people who are not in that category.
yes, they
Like
must
the last time, di ba, we had Cholo and the rest of us were focused on one direction, and then Cholo was on a different lane, di ba?
correct.
Mag-iba talaga.
Oh, totoo yan. That's true. So medyo right now we're focusing, okay, and yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're focusing.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So just for this particular thing that we're meeting with is strictly for
widow and
houses.
Yes,
to-
yeah.
Okay, okay.
But we like you, Celine. Okay, this group, for example, are for widows. Okay, but you, for example, you're a coach. You're a life coach. You can do your own.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
I'm now going into we're meeting today for what?
Yeah. Okay. For the widows. Okay.
Yes.
How to cope up with the loss. Okay, and how to help each other out. So there are two things that we want to achieve. Okay, how to help each other out and how to cope with our loss. Okay.
Okay.
Now, are you familiar? Are you
Wait,
also?
so sorry, just for clarification, meaning also we also welcome those who have kahit mga not married, like live-in partners. We talk about like partners, no?
Yes.
Pwede
Yes.
sila. Okay.
Oh,
Hindi lang,
no.
hindi lang
Spouse.
ano,
I would call
Kasi,
it. I would
oo,
call it
common law,
spouse.
common law partners, common law partners.
oo.
Yes, yes.
Or even, yeah, not, even siguro, basta, I think within that, that category nga na loss of a loved one in your, as a partner, as a
As a
boyfriend,
partner.
husband, di ba?
Correct.
Kasi, dun manggagaling yung igagather nating mga tao na magpa-participate in
Correct.
that,
Oh. Actually, a better term would be spouse. It doesn't have to be married, but he's a spouse, di ba? You're together. Okay. So yun. So okay, great. So now, are you all familiar with Zoom? How it works?
yeah.
Larry, are you familiar with
With,
yeah? Have you used Zoom before? Have you used the
yeah.
breakout rooms?
Eh,
I've used but I haven't hosted.
Ako rin, I haven't hosted
I don't
the
host
breakout.
yeah.
I have experienced breakout rooms, but I'm not able to manage
Okay.
yung ganyan.
Okay. So what about you, Christine? Are you familiar with breakout
I'm
room?
familiar with Zoom, but same, I haven't hosted. Also because I'm just like parang on a free account If I don't have naman an account
Yeah.
talaga. I don't use it naman
Yeah.
kasi, di ba? Parang 1 hour lang yata yan, di ba?
yeah,
Yeah,
pag
first of all-
pag free, less than 1 hour nga eh.
Yeah, less than 1 hour lang, yeah.
So don't worry about that because I have a Zoom account and we will
Okay.
we'll be using that. No. Now, okay, just for background, in Zoom there are what we call breakout rooms,
Yeah.
where one group can be talking to each other, and another group can be talking to. They don't hear each other.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
what we normally do for corporate and for other, we divide them into groups, 8 in one group at the most. Why 8? Because we want to give everybody a chance to speak so that they can learn from one another. So that is the job of the moderator. Okay, whoever takes on that particular room becomes the moderator of that 6, 7, or 8 people there. And the job is to make sure that everybody gets to speak. All right. Basically, that's it. And then to summarize what has been discussed. But it's also the moderator also will share his thoughts on whatever the subject we agree on. No? So, and then at the end of the discussion, the moderator, so everybody goes back to the main room. Kasi in the beginning,
Yeah.
everybody's in the main room. You can have 60, 70 people there in the main room. And then you break them up. They go back to they go to their respective rooms. And then they discuss. After that, after a certain time, they go back again to the main room. Now, when they're already now in the main room, that means everybody's listening to everybody here. Okay. The moderators, who also will serve as the group representative, will now share the experiences during the discussion, what they talked about, what they learned, etc. And that's it. That's all about it. So everybody will know more or less what happened. Okay.
Yeah.
But the host, it's the host who will say, okay, now, Christine, can you tell us what happened in your breakout room? And then Christine will say, well, we're 8, by the way, it's the blank and blank, blah 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 blah
Yeah,
blah. And then the host puts it all together. He's able to put it all together. Okay. And that's it. It's really as simple as that. And you can bring them back in and out of the breakout rooms. If it's 2 hours, you can do 2 breakout rooms. Okay. But for our case, it's just one breakout room. Right. So, is it clear so far? Okay. So, Larry, is that okay with you? That means you're going to
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, what we want to do, if we can generate, let's say, but for example, the host also, I mean, there were times that I was hosting, but there were so many attendees. So I also served as the discussion moderator of one room. Okay. And then I played 2 parts. There may be cases, if let's say Ida joins, there may be a case, for example, and and Celine is the host. I can bring in Celine during the discussion in all the groups,
In all the rooms, yeah.
in all the rooms. Why? Because I wanted to listen. Okay, then she's able to pick up some things. And when she she summarizes everything, she brings all that up. Okay, plus the fact that some of the things that she wants to share, given what she experienced. So that's the way it is. Challenge?
Just for
So,
just
yeah,
so to be
we-
consistent, moderator and host is the same. Can you just use different?
That's
Moderator
different.
and host is different. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. The host is
Maybe,
Kaloy, moderators kami. Ganun
yeah,
ba?
no. This time, the host will be Celine. I will not be the host. Okay.
Okay.
I will just come in the beginning and I'll come in only in the end. In most of the workshops, like in most of the things that I'm going to be doing, I'll be there in the beginning, say hi, hello, etc. And then in the end, I will talk to them about about our association and invite them to come and join us. That's it.
Okay, but who will be the one to handle the distribution of the breakout rooms and all that?
Okay.
Because like I know I've participated in many breakout groups, Zoom breakout group rooms, but I have never managed.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay. To make the
How to break them and how to bring
Yes.
them back.
How
I
to
have no
bring them to
idea
the
also.
room and that I've
The technical.
yeah, the
no
technical.
problem.
yeah.
That's why I was saying that we even need a technical person to handle that. For now, I will be the technical guy. I'll be there behind the scene, making sure that everybody is in the right place. Because what we want is, for example, if Christine is able to bring 7 people, we would want those 7 people to be in her room, if possible. Okay. Flary, the same. If you're able to bring some, because they're more comfortable with each other. Okay. So that's what we will try to do. Okay. But but I will also try to get people to join, and I will just put them in whatever room it's available. There is a process where it starts with getting to know each other. Okay, I will tell you the process later on. It starts with, okay, hi, hello. I mean, you go to the breakout rooms. Okay, let's first introduce each other. Okay, we started, and then she talks a little about herself, etc. And then after that, okay, we know each other. Okay, let's now go to the topic. Our topic is this. Okay, why don't we start with anybody wants to volunteer? Okay, to start the ball rolling. Okay, so then but to make sure is that we have certain amount of time in the breakout room, maximum of 30 minutes. Okay, it really depends on how many
Okay,
people.
I have a question.
Go ahead, please.
The groups, will they be discussing the same topics
Yeah, I
as
was
each
about to ask.
group? I mean,
Yes.
if we have 3 groups, will they be discussing the same topic in the
topic.
3 groups?
Yes. That's
You will give us a guide on what topic to
yes,
touch on, right?
yes.
Yeah, I think that will come in as okay. As moderators, you will be the one to handle the breakout groups with a certain topic that's given to you.
Yeah.
Like it can also be different topics related to each other.
Oh yeah, while you're discussing, so many things can happen. So many
Yeah, okay.
issues can come in, and you'd be surprised at what comes out from those breakout rooms.
Kasi the purpose of breakout groups really is like what Kaloy mentioned earlier. It's really to be able to, bring out something that maybe the other group aren't familiar with, or maybe they're not experiencing, or maybe it's a question that they've been keeping there that they've been unable to tap. You know what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? So, minsan, we're feeling this thing, but we don't understand why. And then in the other breakout group, nandun pala yung answer nung feeling na
Yes,
yun na hindi
correct,
mo alam.
correct. Tama,
Diyan.
tama, right.
So that's the purpose of getting everybody out and discussing it with each other in order for them to be able to. It's actually simply put as sharing. It's
Correct.
sharing.
Yes, that's all. That's really what it is all about.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
sharing, okay, and learning from one another.
Learning. Yeah.
That's-
Okay.
So, okay, so go. Are we a go?
Yeah, so our ano now is to be able to get as well at
Many
least
people.
people.
Yeah, that is my
Join.
problem too on how to convince people to join us.
Yeah,
Kasi
it's not easy,
mahirap
but
din
let's try,
ma-convince
diba?
yung-
Oh,
So maybe we have to have like an ad, di ba?
oh yes,
Uh,
definitely.
that
I
we can
will-
share.
I will
Um,
send you the ad, okay? And
and-
tell me if you like it, you don't like it. You want to do, you have, for example, daughter or somebody who can do it better. Oh, please, okay.
Kaya ano that's why that's why I now revert back to my first question. Are we really restricting it to widows? Kasi it's not easy to get how many. Like for instance, Flary and I, we have the same group of people who
Right.
who are friends who are widows, no? So pareho na kami. So if you have 8 friends, that's already divided into 4, diba? So that's why if we're restricting it to widows and widowers or spouses or partners, then we may have to limit the number of participants.
Well,
Or do we just work with whoever and whatever we have?
yes. And
Okay.
what I'm doing,
Pwede rin if we don't really have that much, if we have let's say 10 people, then we don't need to break out in groups,
correct.
right?
Correct,
Okay.
correct. But what I'm doing right now, if you noticed, I sent a message to people, to the members of the association to help out. And that's why I have a meeting with them to help out. So if there's this ad about widowers, kung pwede, they help out. Okay, we need, this thing to work. We cannot do it on our own. We really need the participation of as many people as possible. We're growing in number. 20, that's not very big, but hopefully as we grow, some will be active, some will not be active. But
Yeah, sometimes it's not easy to convince because it's like opening wounds, diba?
yeah,
Diba? Diba, no? Meron akong mga ganong reaction sabihin kasi parang it's like opening the wound that's healing. Ganyan. Merong mga ganyan na mga, okay, how do you convince them, right?
I'm doing one about quarrels, how to resolve sibling quarrels. And I told them, okay, the people who wanted to join, I said, one thing, when we discuss this, we will not refer it to a relative or a friend kailangan medyo vague who the person is all about, the person we're referring to. We can do that naman eh. You know what I mean, Flary? I'm talking about I'm talking about my siblings, but I don't have to say it's my siblings. Okay, this problem. I said I know a friend who had this problem, this, that. This is the problem in their family. Okay, without saying, it's
your sibling.
yes. In the same way here, you may be having some pain, some emotional pains going on, and you don't want to really reveal, you may say, well, I know of people who have this problem, and they can, they're the same situation as me, but in their case, it was like this, like that, like that. Because you're saying this, like, nagbobola ka, you're not telling the truth. The objective is to be able to help each other. That's the objective. Diba? So we may resort to something like that to be able to ferret out, these concerns that each person may have. Diba? Nawala si Celine.
There you go. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I forgot to mute. I have to take medication.
Ako din, I have to snack in between. Hindi ako pwedeng, I have to eat
Kasi
small
ako
meat.
gamot because I'm having acid reflux.
Same.
I have to take also. Aren't we all getting older? Oh no, don't say that. Don't say that. I don't want.
So, just to share, di ba, I shared a link earlier in this thread after our kasi nga I participated in that group, no, yung grief share. Parang ganito yun tayo. But that one, when we break out in groups, no, they put us in groups. Pero it's like our group is always composed of people who have either lost a parent, I mean mixed. Hindi kami like naka-separate. Even those who lost their pet. So alam mo, ang dami nakatulong. Kasi we're actually, natin, it's really to help somebody go through grief, di ba?
Yeah.
So regardless who or what they lost, they are going through that journey. So in that group, our sessions are always a mixed group. But maybe for this one, we could see how many participants we're gonna get for the spouse. And then maybe eventually, kung talagang konti, then maybe we can open it up.
That's right.
Open it to any diba? Anyone that you lost. Kasi grief naman natin na morning and thing ang inaano natin eh.
Alam mo,
Ina-address natin, diba? And we want to help them out. Yeah.
you know what's important? I based on the little experience that I have, is that they must be able to relate to each
Right.
other. Okay. For example, you talk about a loss of pet. I didn't have any pets, but I lost my loved one. It's different. It's a little different for what I noticed. I have some experience.
Actually, different to us. But when I saw them really talking about it, it's especially for those who, for example,
Right,
lost a
Christine.
mom. For somebody who lost a mom and then adopted a dog, and then lost the dog, you know what? For them, the pain is either the same or even double. So, iba talaga. I mean, from us, I have a dog, no? And I think if I lose my dog, talaga, it will also cause so much pain and agony to me, no? Pero parang, it's also for them, it's the same, yung sakit. It's the same.
I agree.
I have a friend who lost his dog recently. And I said, you want to replace it and all that. And then what he told me was, no, allow me to mourn first.
Yeah.
Because sabi niya, parang it's like replacing a lost loved one. No? Ganyan. Iba, alam mo, it may be different physically, ganyan. Pero emotionally, it's related eh.
Yes,
it's really related.
Yes.
Loss is related.
The emotional baggage, the heartache, the heartbreak.
Siguro Christine's point is, if we're not able to gather enough, then we open it a little bit.
Sure.
Open it a little bit.
Sure.
We'll see.
We can open it to
It will all depend really on. It will all depend on how many
pwedeng no
participants
pets,
we're
basta
able.
human. We can open it to any human loss. Diba?
Okay. No, I'm all for that. I'm really all for that. Especially in the beginning. But later on, it would be nice if you have these pet lovers. Pet lovers, iba yung pet lovers eh. Okay, they belong to a group all the same.
Baka mas
I-
marami pang sumali doon, Kalvin.
Ano?
Baka marami pang sumali doon, I'm telling you.
Baka. Okay,
Feeling ko that would be a big one. Yung for pets, nako, malaki yan.
Oo nga.
Baka mas malaki pa sa humans. Kasi mas share nila eh. Alam mo yon, iba rin kasi yung ano eh. Baka mas gusto nilang i-share yung kanilang heartache over the loss of a pet.
No, I'll share you lang something. Remember, I brought in Ida to this group.
Ida,
diba? Antiveros. She's very raw, diba? Raw talaga.
yeah.
I mean, I'm handling her once in a while lang. Kasi she's not just kasi we might not expect her to be active, no? Kasi medyo talagang merong hesitance pa to talk about it sometimes because she's still in the first stage of going through grief. So in fact, when we've never met face to face and we had the chance to meet face to face and she didn't want to meet face to face. So hindi pa siya ready talaga. So that's why I was thinking baka that's why hindi siya masyadong active kasi she's really not ready yet. So let's just be careful about asking her to or convincing and all that. Kasi hindi talaga ready. Kaya nga sabi ko baka opening wounds tayo.
Oh, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. Okay. That's ang mahalaga is yung I'm here. I have my pains, but I'm here to help. That's the
Yeah.
kind of mentality that we need to have. The members are there to help. Okay, I mean, giving meaningful, being meaningful. Okay, so it is
Yeah.
really okay. So
Okay.
and
So we'll see how this goes.
yes. Actually, this is like a baby. This is just a baby. I mean, there is no such thing as this kind of group, and
We had a number of in the YouTube when you posted it in YouTube,
mhm.
gathered a lot of viewers.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
There are a lot. It's
Yeah.
over. I don't know how many now. 200 was it? The last time I looked, it was over 100.
Oh yes, definitely. I
Tingnan mo nga yung pagtaas niya. Umabot ng 200. Not bad.
umabot is if we put it in YouTube, then and we send it to we blast it, then you see the real number. But what I did though the last time, I didn't send it all to you. I sent it to YouTube, but the others I send it to the usual FB page. So you don't really get the real number, no. But the people that saw it, I know we're very touched by it. So, but
Okay.
another thing that I would like to ask you also is to help bring more people to the association. And you're not a widower. Right? Why don't you join this association? There's so many things there. It's only starting now, but later on there'll be a lot of things that are for free, like what we're doing right now. We're giving this for free, okay? But later on, like I have a project right now. I'm doing it for corporations, but then I'm also giving it for the light givers members at 50%. Or maybe Celine might want to. I have a talk I want to do. Okay. Oh, sige, fine. But whatever you charge, please charge 50%. Whatever you charge outside, please charge 50% for the members. Okay. So that's one of the benefits that we will be offering our members. That's it.
I just want to update you. 323 views.
Viewers.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, it is. So if we hope that and this is already in YouTube, so later on I hope more people will get into it and more people will watch it, no?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
mahirap
Sige,
lang
we'll talk
mag-convince
about it
talaga. I don't know
also.
how I'll do that.
Actually, mahirap talaga in the beginning.
Ako rin I would say.
Mahirap talaga in the beginning.
Well, if I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, So maybe you'll be able to get 4 between, you and Christine and myself. Again, we can probably come up with maybe, yeah.
We'll see. Let's pray to God that open it to Him and then say, Lord, do as you will. Okay. And
What
then
is your target on this?
again,
When is your target? When is your target with
we
this?
already have a date. That's July, I think 7, if I'm not mistaken. It's a Sunday. It's a Saturday morning, July 7, I think. I will.
Parang
Monday.
ano parang I will not be available on that date because end of June up to first week of July, second week of July, I'll be in Brisbane
We
Okay.
can move it, maybe we can move it.
for a
We can
convention.
adjust.
Yes, we can adjust, of course. The three of you are the ones who are most important. All of you, the three of you must agree on the schedule, all right?
Yeah.
When will you be back, Larry?
Before the 10th of July.
Before the
I'm
10th,
not sure of, yeah.
before the
8,
10th?
9, 10. Yeah, 10th of July. Yeah.
So we can do it the next Saturday then.
Yeah, okay.
Paano ako makakapag-ready? June
Oo,
24,
okay.
I'll be leaving na.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
no, that's why. Ano yan, medyo tight yan.
Alright.
Oo, di ba?
Sige, let me look at the schedule.
Let's talk about it, Flery. And Griff.
So, yeah, okay. Thank you so much for your participation, for your support, Thank you so much for that. So,
Sige, just update us lang and then show us the poster, so that we could.
Oo.
Yeah.
yes,
But we need pala a date. So Flary and Celine will discuss
No,
what
no,
they-
no. That poster is just like
a teaser. Okay, a teaser.
teaser
Yeah.
lang. Wala pang ano yun.
Wala pang
not
details.
post a date.
wala
Tapos,
pang date, wala pang date.
in the meantime, Kalay can also provide us on what subject to talk to para pag nag-convince kami ng mga
Yes.
tao na, we're just going to talk about this, about that. So,
I will do
more or
that.
less, meron
Do that.
silang idea on what are we going to talk.
I will do that. I will do that.
And I think also between us, we can also suggest
Of
topics.
course, of course. Okay,
Yeah.
you were talking, Celine, about it's all about me. It's a me. Okay, then how do we need to come up with a general idea. It may not be zeroed in on the me, but it could be a general discussion topic which could lead to the me thing. Okay. I have this, by the way. I support the me. I also support the me, we. It's gotta be good for me and we. Okay. So maybe that could be also part of the discussion. But as I said, we don't have to go very specific. It could be very general. And then what happens is during the discussion, all of that comes out. All of that comes out.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, sige. Tell me first. I have schedules already on Saturdays, by the way. No? So if you can choose another day, maybe Sunday, because the Saturdays are kind of filled up already in the morning. But in the afternoon, we're there in the afternoon. Do you guys want in the afternoon? All right. Saturdays.
I'm okay with that. So we'll see our respondents. Let's see also the availability of our respondents, diba?
Yes. Let's
Afternoon, Saturday afternoon. That's okay. I mean, it also worked for us naman before. I mean, in my groups,
Yes.
some of them okay at 4 o'clock, 5 to 6, 1 hour lang naman, 1 hour.
Yes. Even if you say evening na tayo, Kaloy, okay lang. I'm okay with that. Evening, when everybody's more relaxed. Diba? Tapos na all our worries, our concerns are done. Are done with them, diba? So okay, I'll just wait for your reaction, your thoughts on this.
Maybe let's if Kaloy is not available, maybe the three of us also can meet and basically come up with ano ba ang gusto natin i-take up, di ba?
Yeah, sige.
Pwede din,
Okay.
pwede din, pwede din, pwede.
So we don't, because Kaloy is on top of so many other things, not just us. So that when we meet again with Kaloy, we can already tell him, oh Kaloy, these are the suggestions, like this and that. Okay?
Ayun, okay.
If
Only need to prove.
really
All-
if really breakout rooms may not be possible yet, at least let's come up with other people to join us. So that's how it starts naman eh. Di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Go from 2 to 4 to 8, ganyan na yan eh.
It
Correct.
will multiply. It will multiply.
Oh, we
That's
cannot make
multiply.
Philip now if it's not, well, like Kaloy said, we'll just pray. God will give
Yeah.
us what's necessary.
What he wants us to do right now, di ba? And we will accept it, di ba? Happily.
Okay. Yeah.
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 So,
Okay.
you saying something, Christine?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
What
So
she
I'll
said,
just wait
okay.
and then Celine, yeah, anytime Celine, you just chat with
Yeah,
us here and
yeah,
then we can,
yeah.
yeah. I'll also
Okay.
think of something, yeah, from
Yeah,
my
I'll
past
get
session
down on
groups.
my notes again and see.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Kaloy. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank
I'm
you.
glad you're
Thank you.
doing great.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I'm
Thank
glad
you.
you're doing great. Christine also.
No, yeah.
Ay, nako, yes,
Oh,
Glad you're
recovering.
fine.
At least you
Grabe,
didn't lose
nangyari
weight,
sa'yo.
Christine. You didn't lose
Grabe
weight.
yung mga prayer warriors, Assumption Group, grabe. Grabe
Yeah,
talaga.
I'm glad.
Grabe
11
talaga.
days in the hospital. Imagine.
Oh,
Terrible.
Horrible.
Para akong bumili ng kotse.
Ah,
Sakit ng ulo ko. Kaya sabi ni Lord,
Yeah.
ano ka, pag-outreach ka, give back. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
yes, that's
Give back.
right.
Okay,
right.
thank you.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah, we do what we
Bye.
can.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Sige.
God bless you all.
Bye.
God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.